Just getting the veneers prepared for shipping. Here's a piece of Oregon myrtle burl. Would make a great visual interest on a jewelry box lid. Really comes to life when it gets hit with an oil finish as well. And we're going to simulate that with a bit of alcohol sprayed on it. Look how that comes to life. Vivid contrast lines in there. Excellent cluster pattern. Beautiful wood to work with. Nice flat sheets. You can find that under eBay seller Volpe Wood, ThinWoodandOldTools. Here's another wood that would make an excellent visual interest on a jewelry box or a humidor. It's the Carillion birch burl. Again, nice flat sheets. Just a nice chatoyance to it. Here's a couple pieces of mahogany that have high reflective, have highly figured to them that really reflective. Again, make a nice jewelry box, humidor. There's more of the mahogany. Seems to be a lot of mahogany orders going out this today. Here's a wide sheet of African rosewood or bobinga. Just flats on. One of my favorite woods to work with. It's a little challenging on your tools, but the benefit of working with it for projects, it really pays off. Again, another wood that benefits from being finished. You can see how much of a contrast between the unfinished and finished, simulated finished area with a little bit of alcohol. Nice carmine rose color, turns a little bit of an amber tone to it. And finally, finishing up here with a book match pair of zercote. Unusual for zercote with these nice straight grain lines in it instead of the overall scallop coloration that it usually gets. You can find all these veneers and more in my eBay store, ThinWoodandOldTools, as seller Volpe Woodworks on Amazon, my Etsy shop, Volpe Woodworks, and I have a website, VolpeWoodworks.com. If you like the content of the video, please hit the like button and consider subscribing. If you'd like some assistance in selecting a veneer for a project, please reach out to me by email at tom@VolpeWoodworks.com. I'd love to be able to recommend a veneer for your project. Thank you.